How can I help? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 3026 of What You Up To Now. It's this place where I document my journey, share lessons learned, answer questions, solve problems if people ask, etc. And basically just appreciate the good, the bad, and the beautiful in my life. So today we're talking about, and I'm struggling with Facebook, and I wasn't going to mention it because I hate to mention Facebook the first minutes or 30 seconds of my videos because it gives them more attention. But I'm doing my videos out of order today because for some reason, Facebook on my Supersize Your Business page will not work. It won't let me do a live. It keeps just freezing up and saying I have a slow connection. Since I'm doing two other videos on the exact same platform, I call BS. So maybe that's just a bad belief. We're talking about bad beliefs today. And I define a bad belief as anything that does not serve me. Does it serve me to think that Facebook manipulates people's accounts? No, because I use it as a platform. Will I have a backup plan? Yep. I'm probably going to do like I did yesterday. I'm going to go onto my Skool community and I'm going to record live there and then I'll share it from there. There's always a solution. As much as I like to wallow in self-pity like the rest of the world with respect to, oh, tech is so hard. I can't figure it out. I don't know what to do. I can't do this right now and make excuses. I know I can figure it out, and I do. I figured it out yesterday. I'll figure it out today. It's just frustrating when you get a system and it's really clicking along and it's working really, really well, and it's easy for you, given your personal challenges and limitations, to have it not work, and to have it work 2/3 of the way, but not 1/3 with no explanation or understanding why. And guess what? Can you ever get in touch with anyone at Facebook? No, no humans. When AI runs the companies, we are screwed. I say that with all the love and affection in the world, but we have to remember that we're human beings and human beings need human beings at some level, not just to bitch and moan and complain, but to interact and understand at a soul level what's important to humanity and to people. I digress. So bad beliefs is our topic today for both Supersize challenges, Supersize You annual challenge for personal development and growth. Me, that's why I do it. And Supersize Your Business annual challenge. First time doing an annual challenge in that community, and I'm loving it. I think that it's such a powerful way for us to keep in touch with the positive things that move us forward in our life, or the tools and tips and strategies and actual things that we can incorporate into our life and our repertoire, and tools that we can use to help us to grow and build and scale our business. So talking about that today, I'm actually launching my Supersize Your Business School tomorrow. I actually started it last October, but really never told anybody about it. And there we go, a bad belief, limiting beliefs. I don't know why I didn't. I mean, there's 54 amazing human beings in there, but I have literally access to tens of thousands of amazing human beings, many of which would be an incredibly perfect fit for that community. And so I am inviting people, I am inviting you and everyone else who has a business of their own. And you know, I've got guideline in there, minimum 250K, because I work more with experienced business owners than brand new startups. Although YouTube keeps telling me to make startup videos for people that are just starting a business. And I'm like, yes, no, not my target audience. But even if that is you and you have big ambitions, it would be an awesome community for you, because the one thing there's so many things I've learned building 27 businesses over the course of my lifetime. But one of the things that's really important is who we surround ourselves with. And if you get in a group of amazing human beings that want to see you win, it is so powerful. It's like the fuel to your rocket in terms of creating what you want in your life. All right. I'm not going to talk about any more of this because I'm going to go try to get my Supersize Your Business video produced. If I can help you anyway, ask. If you want to know more about Supersize Your Business, just put Supersize in the comments below and I will send you the invite link. It's a freemium group, so you can join for free and see if it's a fit for you. I guarantee it will be. A little bit of something for everyone. If you've been listening to my videos for any amount of time, you know me, what you see is what you get. And that's how it will continue to be in that community. But it's just so exciting to have an actual community, a place I can build and grow and supersize and create the impact that I want to create in the world. And so can everybody else. That's what we're all here for. All right. Have an awesome day. If I can help you anyway, all you have to do is ask. Have an awesome day. Bye. See you tomorrow.